Today we're going to change out the brake pads for this 2021 Subaru WRX STI. This applies for the 2018 to 21 STI. Similar instructions would apply for also the 2015 to 2017, but this is the 2018 to 2021 Brembo calipers that we're going to be taking apart. All right, so these are the brake pads, part number DP31591C for the 2018 plus the 2021. These are the EBC Redstuff pads. Made in United Kingdom, has a break-in coating in the back. You can see there. You're supposed to actually break it in for about 50 miles. This coating will wear off eventually, but you could do the standard bedding process. But all four brake pads are the same. Pretty good construction. We're going to go ahead and install it right now. So in order to remove the brake pads, we just got to punch out these rods. I'm going to take a punch right here and just take a little mallet and hit it out. All right, once we push out the rods, we're gonna try to pull them out with some needle nose right here. Once you take out one, the other one slides out pretty easy. We're gonna retain this back plate. We're gonna take a 13mm socket and remove the back bolt right here. So as you can see, there's this rod here. We have to remove it out of place to actually remove the pads. There's a 13mm back here, and we're going to take it out. So at this point, the pads should easily slide out, but you have to pull them out a little bit. We're going to spray a little brake clean behind it. So right now with the old pads, the caliper pistons are actually somewhere in the middle there, and we want to press it back because the new pads have quite a bit of tread. So what we're going to do is use this brake spreader tool. It's just basically a lever here that just spreads out the pads, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So I have it here, I have it in between the pistons, and I'm just going to spread it apart just so it can go through. I'm going to shift up just to get to the other piston. Alright, once that's done, you can go ahead and put the brake pads back. So we're ready to slide the pads back in, but before that, I'm going to put a little bit of brake lubricant on the sides of the pads. The side of the pads where it's going to hit the piston. Just a super thin layer there. I'm going to slide the first pad in. Seems to go really well. Just spreading some brake lube on the corners, on the back side of the shim. And now we're going to try to slide it in as well. It's perfect. Now I'm going to take the original pin straight over here. And what we're going to do is actually put some of the pins in on one side. Probably on the top side first. We're going to let this top part go all the way through. So all we need to do is take this last bracket, press it all the way back, and insert the pin. Just want to make sure the pin is lined up so it'll go all the way through. And it does. Now we're going to reinsert that middle rod. Just going to go right underneath and just press it through. There you have it. 13 millimeter bolt, and just start spinning it through, and then we'll torque it down to spec much later. Alright, now that that's done, just got to clean it up a little bit. Fingerprints and grease everywhere. So you can see the passenger side rotor. This is the front STI side. We have everything back in. We have the pins on both sides all the way in. You can see the little tip sticking there. We made sure that this bracket is center aligned to the rotor, so it's not shifted awkwardly. And then all we need to do is mount this caliper pad bolt back into place. This is a 13 millimeter and it's going to be torqued down at 22.1 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to start to tighten it down. And we're going to use the torque wrench and tighten it down at 22.1 foot-pounds. Alright, that's torqued down. So check it out, this is it. This is the installation for the front brake pads. I installed the Redstuff EBC brake pads for this 2021 STI. This brake job applies for 2018 to 2021 that has the 6-pot calipers. And all we need to do is put the tires back on, but hopefully this was helpful, and have a good one.